Have already learned how to add numbers. Repeated additions have a special property that you add these numbers to itself, you get a series which is put in tabular form as tables. So we have read tables of 2, 3, 4. Particularly, let us look at an example. 2 3s are, what does it give you? 2 3s are gives us 6. So it means 2 repeat added to itself 3 times, or 3 added to itself 2 times. So we have 2 into 2 is 4. Notice the sign, and this sign tells us that positive multiplied by a positive gives us a positive. Now let us write an equation. -1 plus 1, that will give us a 0. So inside brackets we have a 0 which should be equal to 0, and if we multiply a number with a 0, it will be a 0. So this equation is good, it is watertight. Now let us apply the distributive property. 2 multiplies with -1, this 2 multiplies with +1. Notice the sign of 2, if not written, it is plus. So 2 plus 2 into -1, we are not sure, but we are sure that +2 into +1 has to be +2. So in this equation we have got only one unknown, and that unknown should be such that left hand side of the equation should be 0, since we started with a watertight equation with a correct equation. So what it has to be? It has to be a -2. That means that tells us that +2 into -1 has to be minus. So plus into minus is minus. So we got two rules with us. Plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, and then again we start with this equation with a minus sign in front of 2, makes it a negative quantity. Multiply it inside using distributive rule. Again find the insufficiency, plug in the sufficiency to keep the equation as it is, and we end up reaching the result that minus into minus is plus. So till now what we have done, we have the rules to multiply signs, we have addition rules, we know how to write numbers and give directions